Every major brand will be using AI for commercials by 2026. The ones that don't will be left behind. L'Oreal invested millions in AI partnerships with NVIDIA. Sephora's AI tools increased customer retention by 34%. H&M deployed AI digital twins across 30 global campaigns, rolling out global campaigns in days, not months. The advertising revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and it's moving faster than anyone expected. Which begs the real question, how can you create the same $100,000 production value on a coffee break timeline? Stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you step by step through an AI-only workflow that delivers a cinematic, brand-ready commercial in less than 30 minutes. And I'll make it so simple and straightforward, it'll feel almost unfair, like cheating the system. Alright, no more theory. Let's dive straight in. We're starting with static brand images, and I'm about to show you how to create magazine-quality product photography in minutes, not days. I've broken this down into 3 essential shot types that every brand needs. Product-only shots means clean, studio-perfect product photography. Studio model shots, which means human models with your product in a professional studio-like scene. Lifestyle scenes. These are real-world environments where your product lives. The process is simple. Craft a strong prompt, generate visuals, then seamlessly insert the real product into the scene. And if you're watching this video, this is where it gets almost unfair. I've already done the hard work for you. In a moment, you'll know how. Step 1. Craft the perfect image generation prompt. We'll use ChatGPT to write us an image generation prompt. Ask it to write a prompt to create a professional studio product photo. Tell it your product style, vibe, aesthetic, direction. But wait, here's where I save you hours of trial and error. I've already written ChatGPT master prompts for all 3 scenarios. All you do is replace these placeholders with basic info about your product, what it is, packaging style, colors, any specific aesthetic you want. You don't need to write brand name or detailed descriptions, we just need a visual foundation. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'll paste my first master prompt into ChatGPT and fill in some random brand details. Product, premium skincare serum. Packaging, glass dropper bottle. Colors, minimalist white and gold. Aesthetic, a clean luxury. Look at that. ChatGPT just generated a professional grade Midjourney prompt in seconds. Next, head over to Midjourney. Yes, it's paid, but I'll share good free alternatives, just stick with me. Paste the prompt, hit enter, wait a few seconds, and boom. 4 studio quality product shots that would cost thousands with a traditional photographer. If you don't like any of them, hit regenerate. It's that simple. Just download the one that matches your vibe. Now let's quickly create our studio model shot using my second master prompt. And finally, our lifestyle scene using the third prompt. Here's where it gets interesting. We need to place our actual product into these AI-generated scenes. For this, we're using Nano Banana. Upload the generated scene, upload a simple photo of your actual product, then give it a simple instruction, replace the product in the models, hand with the product from the second image, naturally. Look at that seamless integration. The AI handles lighting, shadows, perspective, everything. Let me quickly do this for our other 2 shots. Here are our final results. 3 professional-grade brand images that would typically cost $15,000 to $30,000 for a traditional shoot. And of course, you can tweak my master prompts to match your specific brand aesthetic requirements. The framework does the heavy lifting, you just customize the details. But static images are just the beginning. The real magic happens when we bring these brands to life with video. Let me show you how to create a full commercial that looks like it came from a high-end $1 million production house. Now let's bring these images to life by turning them into video clips, and it's ridiculously simple. Head back to ChatGPT and upload your 3 finished images. Ask it to create simple 2-sentence image to video generation prompts for each shot. Something like this: generate a simple 2 to 3 sentences prompt to animate this product shot with subtle camera rotation, lighting changes, and movements. ChatGPT will give you optimized prompts that work across different AI video generators, describing the type of motion, camera movement, and atmosphere you want for each scene. Now you need an image to video generator. You've got plenty of options here, like Runway ML, VO3, Magi AI, Kling AI, and many more. You can go with anyone you like. I'm using Magi AI since it's free and works fine most of the time. Upload all 3 images to Magi AI at once. Paste your ChatGPT generated prompts for each image. Hit generate and wait. Its videos come with a watermark at the corner, but we can deal with that. If any clip doesn't look right, just regenerate with a tweaked prompt. Download your clips. Now you can use them individually, or you can compile them in any video editing software. Let's open CapCut, import all 3 video clips, and add a copyright-free music to your timeline. That's all, just export it and we are done. Here's our final commercial. That's not the end of it. What we just created was impressive, but now I want to show you how to make a full-fledged professional-grade commercial that could air during prime time. The workflow I'm about to share will have you creating commercials that rival major agency work, but in a fraction of the time and cost. Stick with me because this gets really exciting. Every professional campaign starts with a mood board. This isn't just collecting pretty pictures, it's strategic visual planning. Open ChatGPT and describe your brand's target demographic, the emotion you want to evoke, and your key message. Ask it to suggest 5 to 7 distinct visual themes that would resonate with that audience. Now select the one that matches closely with your brand type. And here's the key. We use ChatGPT to generate specific aesthetic keywords instead of using random searches. Now head to Pinterest, Behance, or even Google Images with these precise terms. Save 5 to 10 references that capture different aspects: lighting styles, color palettes, composition angles, and mood. Professional commercials tell stories through multiple connected shots, and we are going beyond just making pretty visuals and animating them. Back in ChatGPT, upload your moodboard collage and ask it to create a scenes list for a commercial with shot types, transitions, and timing. I've asked it to give mid-journey prompts also. You can ask it to write mid-journey prompts in the subsequent step. It'll give more detailed prompts, but here we are. Using these prompts, I've already generated these visuals in mid-journey. And then I replaced products using the exact same workflow I shared before, and then converted images to clips following ChatGPT's direction. I'll just show you the final result I am able to get in a short period of time.
Yeah, step in the zone. Never run fast, now I'm taking it down. Moving too quick, can't leave me alone. Lights of the city, I'm in my own mode. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Late night street still feeling.
What just happened? You are now able to create a commercial that could cost even $150,000 plus through a traditional agency in under 2 hours for less than $200 in tool costs. This workflow is already being used by major brands. The question isn't whether AI will take over commercial production, it already has. The question is, will you be part of the revolution or watching from the sidelines? I've put together the exact prompts, tool recommendations, and templates I use for every commercial I create. Links in the description. Grab it and start experimenting today. And I'll just say that the future of advertising is already here. It's time to claim your place in it.